So all of these products have made tons of sales just recently released on Etsy. And I want to share with you a very simple way that I use all of these products to reimagine and remix them into new micro niches, perfect for the back to school time. And the crazy part about this is that you can actually take what is working well on Etsy for a totally new micro niche like back to school, which honestly I think is the perfect time for you to start creating these products and start getting bestsellers yourself. And you can see how we were able to create these type of products without using long prompting, without trying to go into chat GPT and figure out what is the best prompt for these results. This was all because we used a very simple prompt like this, and we were able to use a reference image so that we can get the style and get a very similar result. And as you can see, this is an easy way for you to create a bestseller. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to actually do this, how one design can be a template for anything you create moving forward, and how to line this up perfect for the back to school season. You can start making sales today. All right, so I think this came out pretty good. And if you're not focusing on creating things for back to school, I think you might be missing out on a huge opportunity because a lot of people, again, are focused on these major seasons like 4th of July, like Father's Day. But just seeing the results on here, we can see there are tons of best-selling products already for t-shirts. And of course, you can sell these for physical t-shirts or print on demand products like coffee mugs, tote bags, or just sell these as digital products. But the demand is clearly here. And how I was able to find all of these bestsellers is using my niche master tool. This is a free tool I made for you if you are struggling trying to find high quality products and best-selling products. Again, this is great for product research. And so this is how I was able to find all these best-selling products. Now I'll share with you exactly what I did here. I just simply went to the niche finder tool, search up t-shirts, and all I did here was put back to school. And what this will do is that it will find all the best-selling products in the back-to-school niche, like how we see here. But it will also show with you over 100 different micro niches that most people miss out on. So not only do you get the immediate bestsellers and for whatever product category you're selling for, but also go and give you over 100 different micro niches that a lot of people miss out. So if you do want to get access to this free tool, again, it shows you all the bestsellers in those micro niches that most people miss out on. I'll make sure I leave the link down below so you can get access to this as well as to my free 30-minute training. But by doing this, we were able to see that back to school right now is popping off. Tons of bestsellers on here. I think now is the perfect time to start listing these items and start getting sales. But the thing that I see with these back to school designs is that most of these are kind of old, right? Even though they're bestsellers doing extremely well, they're not carrying over current trending style. So what I like to do is I like to use designs that are selling well on Etsy, maybe for the summer niche, and look and see what is actually trending right now, because these are where the new trends are living, right? Not things that's coming up in the future, like looking at Christmas designs right now. If you can look at the current market and see what is trending, like we see this in pastel paint style has been trending. We see these type of text designs have been trending all over Etsy. I know we're seeing this type of stripe background has been doing extremely well, right? If we have seen those things to do well currently, then they're just going to sell well moving forward. So with that being said, I like to use the best-selling designs from a different niche and use those as my templates to do exactly what you're going to see here, create these type of products. Now the tool that I'm using to create these is my custom built tool, my creative prompt tool I built for my Etsy membership community. As you can see here, everything that my community designs or I design, I upload the template as well as the prompt inside here, just to make it easy for you to actually know what is selling well, to learn my system of how to make income online with Etsy, but also to have an AI generating tool as well as my smart SEO tool and a ton of helpful features to help you go even further and deeper. And of course, we have tons of classes and trainings and courses to help you learn this. But we're going to go ahead and use my Remix Studio tool here. And what saves us a lot of time is that we're going to use a t-shirt pre-prompt that I built out with ChatGPT. Really complex prompt, but it's going to make it easy for you because you don't have to worry about going into chat and trying to find the right prompt. Just click this button and I'll take care of all that for you. We're going to use some very simple prompting here just to make this for the back to school niche. I think a great space to target even with this is a micro niche like pre-K, and you can go and find like first grade teachers doing well. There's a lot of smaller macro niches that you can focus on that can bring in a lot of traffic. So we'll give a little bit of prompting here, and this is where I'm going to upload a reference image that I found from Etsy to be my style template, because again, all these styles that we have seen to be for back to school are not trending right now. Even though the product is selling, again, I'm seeing a lot of gaps in the market that we can actually sell well here. A couple products that I've seen to do well is really, like I said, in the summertime niche, but we're going to remix these and redesign these for back to school. So here's a popular trend that I have found to do well on Etsy. This one obviously is making tons of sales, and we can see the bestsellers badge on this, but I've seen this a sunshine in Jesus shirt do extremely well. Now, where a lot of people struggle when they do product research is trying to redesign this or remix this for the same niche. That's not going to be our strategy today. A better strategy that I have found is to look at a style that is working, but then apply that style into a different niche. Obviously make some changes, but apply the style into a different niche. But this is definitely a text style and a font style and a layout style that is absolutely doing well. Here's another style that's doing well. You've probably seen this all over Etsy with this impasto paint style that is definitely trending, and I think will be one of the most popular trends on Etsy in 2026. But again, I want to take what is working and then apply that over into another micro niche, maybe totally outside of this entire summertime niche like we'll do here today. And then here's our last example here. You know, if you've been on Etsy for any length of time, this stripe background has done extremely well. But again, our goal today is not to make another turtle design for the summer, but bridge this over into a different area. So these are going to be our reference images, and all I have to do here is copy these, and then I head over to my Remix Studio page here, and I'll share with you how easy it is to do this. So here's one of our examples here. All I did was paste in the reference image that we found over from Etsy. But again, our goal is to redesign this for a totally different niche. Now, the niche that we're going to focus on that I found to do extremely well are these type of crew t-shirt designs. Usually you'll find these saying principal crew or first grade crew or a science crew. So we definitely want to make this. And one of the things I found to do well to target is the pre-K niche, is this one right here. That's obviously the bestseller. It says preschool crew. So we're just going to put pre-K crew for hours. So that's what we're going to do for a macro niche. Now, when I jump into this tool again, here's the prompt that I gave it, which again, as you're going to see here, our prompt is really not going to change. So this is great because we can just recycle a new image after new image and always get a different result, because again, we're using a reference image that is going to change this to fit the niche of preschool. So the prompt says change the color, themes, and elements in words to fit the teacher niche. Make the words say pre-K crew, keep the same layout of the image. Again, you want to get access to this tool in my membership community, I'll leave a link down below. This has definitely sped up my entire work process, and I want to share the same thing with you. So here's the image that we use here. As you can see, definitely focus on Jesus and sunshine, focus on the summertime niche here. Notice how also too, the bottom layers have text at the bottom as well and elements all around this, which is totally fine. But this is what we were able to get as a result, and I think this came out extremely well. Notice how now our designs say pre-K crew, exactly what we prompted, but it definitely brought over a lot of the similarities of elements, but definitely changing these up to fit a different niche. Even with the text at the bottom here, all these things I think came out extremely well. Yeah, we can go and see this one came out well also. Again, that's why this saves you so much time, because once you find what is working, you can use that reference image and go ahead and use this prompt. And really, this can be for any niche you find on Etsy. You can change this to fit this macro niche and really flood the market and really be massive in regards to offering these trending styles into these new areas. Now, to get this on a mock-up, I am using VidMock. They have a new area called Mockup Flow, where the only thing you got to do here is put in a t-shirt image here, as you can see, and plug in your design and hit run flow. And what this will do, which again saves me so much time, it'll look at your design, understand what niche it is, what color theme it is, and it'll use whatever mock-up image you placed in here. It'll change the background, the colors, and everything to fit the overall niche. So here's what our original mock-up looked like. As you can see, a floral design with flowers in the background. But when we just uploaded our design and hit run flow, again, this came out great. It used the same mockup image, but obviously changed the background to fit that niche. Again, if you're not using great mockups to sell, your sales are probably hurting, because mockups make a big difference. So I think this came out great. All right, so here is the second design reference that we use. We use that summertime design that says "Be the Sunshine." Again, our goal is not to copy this or even place this in the same niche, but look at the prompt that we use for this. As you can see here, nothing truly has changed here. The only thing that we changed was the element, as we don't want it to be a sun. We just want it to be a specific element for the teacher niche. And so we have the same prompt here where it says change the color, themes, elements, and words to fit the teacher niche, and make the words say pre-K crew. because that is our niche. And we said change the image from a sun to be a heart. And again, we raised this up to 3 variations. Look at the results we were able to get, and I think this came out well. Again, you can make the element whatever you want it to be. In our case today, I think that the element a heart could be great for, again, the teachers here. But as you can see, this came out great. Notice how the elements changed. Again, it's still following the same layout, but definitely bringing a trending style like this over into a much needed area to display this type of trend, which is in the teacher niche. I think this is a great opportunity for you to create and sell these type of products here. And this is what our design look when we put it on a mock-up. I think that came out great. Notice here how the background fits exactly what our niche is. And again, it's a pre-K crew, bringing in that popular and pastel paint chunky style here, which again, definitely not showcasing on these back to school designs, but that's where again we can fill the gap that's in the market and really sell well here. Because if these shirts are already selling well and they're using old trends and old styles, imagine what we can do if we brought in a new current style here and definitely showcase that in the niche. I think this will be extremely well. So that came out well. And here's the last image that we're going to use here. This one here, as you can see, bringing in that stripe background. Obviously, we're not going to copy or even release this in the same niche, but using this as a style reference, we can definitely utilize this one here. Now, changing these elements out might be a little challenging. Definitely let the AI know that if you don't want the turtle, replace the turtle with something else. I just say, hey, replace the turtle with the apple. As you can see, most of our prompt did not change at all. That's why this speeds up my design process so much. So all I'm doing here is just recycling another image and placing that over into another niche. Very easy to do. And as you can see here, this came out well. Again, this one here is also a good one. This one here could also sell well here. But one of the highlights here is that it's definitely bringing in that striped background, keeping our text as it is. And because we said make this an apple for the element, as you can see, all the colors change to fit our niche and our style, which saves us so much time and is an easy way to start using these best-selling designs on Etsy as style guides and templates to be for new micro niches that we can definitely make some sales. And here is our design on a mock-up. I think that came out well. As you can see here, definitely bring in that popular stripe background, definitely bring in that retro style that we know to do well. And look how the mock-up also changed to fit our niche. And going back to this, again, I didn't change anything with the mock-up. We're still using this floral mock-up design here, but because I'm in this VidMock mock-up flow and I uploaded my reference design here, I'm using the same mock-up for all of my designs. But as you can see, it's definitely changing these up here, definitely changing these up and making this easy. So if you do want to get access to all the things I'm talking about in today's video, want to join my Etsy membership community where I have tons of classes and courses, and as you can see here, creative tools to help you sell well and know my entire system so you can actually make sales. I leave all the links down in my description box below. And if you want to see how I'm actually creating my mockups like this here that speeds up the entire process for me, I'll go ahead and leave the next video here and subscribe to my channel to learn more. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I'll see you in the next video.